Oh no, it's the solution.
As long as you're pretty and respectful, no one cares.
I like a little disrespect here and there.
Yeah.
She a freak in the sheets.
So y'all came in here laughing. What are we laughing about?
Oh.
Oh, just a little subtle political humor. A little satire.
A little satire. Okay.
That's some people who need to hear.
There were some people who were asking us which bathroom we were going into, and I just said, whoever will have me tonight.
I like that. Is that a problem? Is that a problem?
Oh no, it's the solution.
As long as you're pretty and respectful, no one cares.
I like a little disrespect here and there.
Yeah.
Well, sensational.
Only if it's directed at someone.
Yeah, I want to watch it.
Share. You know what? Okay, introduce yourself.
Oh my God, hi. I'm Jade Venus.
They know who I am. Just kidding. Ariel Demure.
And you're what are you most looking forward to this XMA?
Oh God, just seeing all the sisters. Oh, and we're nominated to see our names on the screen.
Honestly, my dad legit just said this morning, I love seeing my baby's name in lights, and that meant a lot to me. Yeah, so.
That's so nice. That's so demure. I like it.
I outlive her. I came before that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took it from you.
No, God bless her. She's a great girl, but I did it first.
Yeah, she's
Just saying. Just saying. Just saying.
So I love this the green and the purple you got with the.
Yes, she does look good, doesn't she?
Thank you.
Hey, sensational. So, and what's your most looking forward to as far as your nominations?
Oh, okay. Well,
good question.
We're Trans Performer of the Year nominees, both of us. And then my favorite scene. Oh God, probably my Transparella for XBiz.
That was
Trans
really good.
Transparella.
She is Transparella.
I'm Transparella. It just so happens that I'm a crime-fighting alien vampire from outer space.
future.
Not bragging, but in any event, from the future. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens with Oasis, because that was a Brie Mills feature that she produced this year, and I'm really looking forward to seeing who, as a trans person, gets to be our representative, our ambassador for the evening, because it's always an exciting time for that.
That's good. So were you in that scene as well with the?
Fuck yeah.
Oh God, I was.
How was dealing with that?
I wasn't in theirs. I was in my own. I didn't get drenched in blood, thank God. But I was in episode 2, and I Dracula. It was very erotic. I played a vampire, a very young-looking vampire.
We're outside.
Thank you.
Hey, there's a lot going on. You're gonna check that out. This is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. Thanks for watching. Javi!